2025 Chery Tiggo 7 Pro Max is a feature-rich mid-size SUV that offers a compelling blend of performance, comfort, and technology at a competitive price point. Performance and driving dynamics, powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivering 145 kilowatts and 290 newton-meters of torque. The Tiggo 7 Pro Max is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This setup provides smooth acceleration with a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of approximately 8 seconds. While the throttle response can be sensitive, leading to occasional wheel spin, overall ride quality is commendable, aided by a well-tuned suspension system. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Tiggo 7 Pro Max boasts a premium cabin featuring dual 12.3-inch displays, a Sony 8-speaker sound system, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof. The use of soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and heated ventilated leather seats enhances the luxurious feel. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, with a generous 626-liter boot capacity. Safety and technology. Equipped with an extensive suite of 17 advanced driver assistance systems, the Tiggo 7 Pro Max includes features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. It has achieved a 5-star safety rating from ANCAP, underscoring its commitment to occupant protection. Fuel efficiency. Chery claims a fuel consumption rate of 7.0 liters per 100 kilometers for the Tiggo 7 Pro Max. However, real-world tests have reported figures ranging from 8.2 to 10.2 liters per 100 kilometers, depending on driving conditions. Value and ownership. Priced competitively, the Tiggo 7 Pro Max offers substantial value, especially considering its comprehensive feature set. It comes with a 5-year, 60,000-kilometer service plan and a 10-year, 1,000,000-kilometer engine warranty, reflecting Chery's confidence in its vehicle's durability. verdict. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 Pro Max stands out in the midsize SUV segment by offering a blend of luxury, performance, and advanced features typically found in more expensive vehicles. While there are minor areas for improvement, its overall package presents a compelling option for buyers seeking value without compromising on quality.